Hello everyone. Today I am starting chapter halogen derivatives, and in this first video I will be talking about halogen derivatives, their classification and the nomenclature part of halogen derivatives. So the first thing, halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives are derived from hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbon are the compounds which are made up of hydrogen and carbon. When one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced from aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon by halogen atom or atoms, then the compound formed is called halogen derivative of hydrocarbons. Now, classification of halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives used to be classified in two ways: on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton. On the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton, to which halogen atom is bonded, the halogen derivative is classified as haloalkanes, haloalkenes, haloalkynes and haloarenes. Haloalkanes, where you will see there would be a single covalent bond in between the carbon atom, and the example is you are seeing ethyl halide. X could be Cl, X could be I, X could be Br atom. Haloalkene, where you will see there is a double covalent bond in between the carbon-carbon atoms. Haloalkyne, there would be triple covalent bond in between two carbon atoms, and haloarene is aromatic halogen derivatives. Now, on the basis of number of halogen atom, halogen derivatives on the basis of this criteria can be classified as mono, di, tri or polyhalogen compounds. Here, monohalogen compounds are where only one atom of halogen will replace one hydrogen atom. You will be seeing in such compound there is only one halogen atom present. In dihalogen, you will be seeing in whole compound, whether on the same position or on different position in a compound, you will be seeing two halogen atoms, like vicinal halides or geminal halides, if you remember. And trihalogen compounds are the compounds where you will see three halogen atoms present on different positions. Now, classification of monohalogen compounds. Monohalogen compounds are further classified in number 1 is alkyl halides or haloalkanes. In alkyl halides or haloalkanes, the halogen atoms is bonded to sp3 hybridized atom. The halogen atom which is bonded to this carbon atom, this carbon should be sp3 hybridized atom, and it is a part of saturated carbon skeleton. There you will see only single covalent bond in between the carbon atoms. For example, this is primary halide. You will see the carbon is sp3 hybridized, and this carbon is bonded to this alkyl group via single covalent bond only. Similarly, if you are talking about secondary halide, this carbon is secondary carbon or 2-degree carbon, and it is bonded with two alkyl groups with single covalent bond, and this carbon is also sp3 hybridized. Whereas the tertiary halide or 3-degree halide, where you will see halogen atom is bonded to that carbon atom which is bonded to three different alkyl groups, and it is tertiary halide with sp3 hybridization. Now, allylic halides or allelic halides. In allelic halides, hydrogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon double bond. This carbon atom, where the Halogen is bonded, is sp3 hybridized, but this carbon atom is bonded to next carbon atom, which is further bonded with double covalent bond with another carbon atom. This whole group is called as allylic group. Then benzylic halides. Benzylic halides are those halides where you will see the halogen atom is bonded with sp3 hybridized atom, and further that carbon will be bonded with aromatic ring or benzene ring. This is benzylic halide. Then vinylic or vinylic halides. Vinylic halides are those where you will see halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and that this group actually CH2 double bond CH group used to be called as vinyl group. So this is vinylic halide. Now haloalkyne, the halogen atom which is bonded to sp hybridized carbon atom, where you are seeing this carbon atom where the halogen atom is bonded is further bonded with triple covalent bond to another carbon atom, and this carbon atom is sp hybridized. Next category is aryl halides or haloarenes. In haloarenes, you will see the halogen atom is directly bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring. See, this is chlorobenzene, or this is the compound where you will see halogen atom is present and it is directly bonded to the carbon atom present as in a benzene ring. This is orthochlorotoluene. So in this way we used to classify halogen derivatives. Now nomenclature of halogen derivatives. The common name of alkyl halides are derived by naming alkyl group followed by the name of halogen as halide. For example, methane. For example, methane, and from methane, if I am replacing one hydrogen atom with iodide, the compound formula would be CH3I. So I would name this methyl iodide or tertiary butyl chloride. And alkyl halides are named as haloalkanes. Aryl halides are named as haloarenes. It is common in IUPAC system also. For dihalogen derivatives of arenes or aromatic compound, we used to use prefix like ortho, meta, para. In common system, in IUPAC system, we used to use 1, 2 or 1, 3 or 1, 4 respectively, depending upon the position of halogen atom present in the benzene ring. So this is all about the nomenclature of halogen derivative. Thank you.